All right, hey guys, what I thought I'd go through today is how to find the maximum flow using this other method that I got taught. Now, I've never done it this way. I've always done it using the cup method, as that's what we use in the textbook. But this is a more, I guess, more accurate way of doing it, using actual calculations. So you can sort of pick which one you want to do or which one you prefer. So I'm actually going to do the example that we did in class today to see if we get the same answer as the one on the screen. All right, so basically how this goes is we look at different paths that can get from the source to the sink. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to trace just a random path that goes from the source to the sink, which is the one that I've just highlighted. Okay, once you've got that, you have a look at the smallest number in that path and subtract it from both numbers. So the smallest number is 3. So I'm going to subtract 3 from 3, which gives me 0, and subtract 3 from 8, which is going to give me 5. Once I've done that, I go and have a look at another path. Now, just to let you know, you're not allowed to go through a path that has a 0. Okay, that's the aim that we're making. I also forgot to add whatever number you've subtracted, you just add it here. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another path. So I'm going to go here and here. All right, so this is going to give me the smallest number in this set is going to be a 1. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. That's going to make it a 0. That's going to make it a 10. And now what we're going to do, we're going to have a look at another path. So I'm going to change my color again. I'm allowed to go through this side because it hasn't got a 0, and I'm going to go through to through to the 3, through to the 5. All right, the smallest number on that path is a 3. So I'm going to subtract another 3 from that. So that's going to become a 2. That's going to become a 0. It's going to become a 7. Now, if you have a look here, we can't do any other paths because no matter where I go, I'm always going to run into a 0, and we're not allowed to do that. All right, so now that I've done the maximum amount of paths I can do, you just add up these numbers here, and that's going to be your maximum flow. So 3 plus 1 plus 3, which is 7. So that is your max flow and min cut.